tired of overpaying for gadgets? What if I tell you can import from China and save big? Watch this video to the end. Hit the like button. Let's go straight away from beginning to unboxing. Guys, I will teach you how to import from beginning. You will see my chart from the supplier till it gets to your country. Yes, you heard me right. So let's get started. Welcome to Jennyceo's channel. So are you interested in importing gadgets, laptop, camera, everything, kids, tablets, and you don't know where to start, you don't know how to go about it? Then this video is for you, because here in this video I'll be I'll be telling you everything you need to know about gadget importation, and I'll be showing you myself. I will hold you by your hand, show you how to do everything. I chat with the supplier how to I will also be dropping my supplier's contact, and I will also be showing you how I chatted with them, how they sent it to the shipping company, and everything you need to know. So do well to hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button. So whether you are a business owner that wants to start getting in gadgets and selling, or you are someone that just want to buy for your own personal use, then this video is for you. All right, let's get started. All right, so as you can see right here, my chat with the supplier, where she told me I was discussing and I made payment. That is Ali pay. Then I made payments. Then after payment, when you chat my supplier up, I'll be dropping the contact soon. Once you chat her up, she's a female, what next will you do? You will chat her up and you will tell her the kind of phone you want to get. And the beautiful thing about this supplier, she has a group where she posts all her items: iPhone, Samsung, HUAWEI, different laptop, camera with price tag on them. All right, so you don't need to get worried. What do I want to buy? You'll be seeing different prices. Then when you see the prices, the next thing you do is to chat them up, and you make payments, and they will test run. So they will show you video of what you are buying. Now this is the Redmi Note 8 I bought. So they test run it. They will show you the camera, everything, to make sure the phone is set and intact. So please, when you buy, make sure they test run and show you all this video. That is it. Then she showed the first one. Now she's going to show me also the Samsung I bought S10. She will also show me the video. Now this is the video. This is the Redmi Note 8. Now she'll show me the video for the Samsung. This is the video right here. Now look at her test running Galaxy Note 10 5G and showing me everything. It's great. You see that? Test running everything. So when you do that, they test run it. Then after test running and showing you everything and making sure everything is intact, the next thing they will do is to pack it. Then that's when you need to provide your shipping company address. Now they've packed mine because I've provided my shipping company address. So when they pack it, when you provide them, they've shipped it, they've sent it to my shipping company. That is the tracking number. They will give you what they call tracking number. So that tracking number is what the shipping company will chat you up. Once shipping company receive it, they will chat you up and say, hello, now see they've chat me up, the wrote received. So you will know that yes, they've received. Then you will reply, please ship out via Express. That was my response. Why? Because I did not use C for it, but you can use C, you can use Air. But I love using air shipping, and I love using Express for my gadgets. Yes, so I told them to ship out via Express, and guess what, guys? Express takes just 3 days. You heard me right. 3 days it will get to Nigeria. That's where I base. So I don't know how long it takes. So the next thing, they will give you a pickup message. That is my pickup message. They will tell you pickup message, come and pay. Then the next thing you do, you make payment and you're good to go. Now they shipped it on. They gave me the message that it has. All right, so they gave me the message that it has arrived on the 30th. That was when they told me it was shipped. they sent it on 30th, and look at it on 4th. It stayed 3 days, like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and on the 5th, Saturday and Sunday is not working hours. On the 5th, I got a pickup message to come and pick up my items. This is amazing. So it's super easy. So if you are trying to import, just calm down. This is legit. All right, so I'll be sharing the contact right here on my screen. I'll be showing you my unboxing. And this is our contact. This is our WeChat account. All right, this is our WeChat account. So I'll also be showing the unboxing of that phone I walked you through on how to chat them and every now. This is it. Then I'll be dropping the WhatsApp contact right here too. All right. So this is a WhatsApp contact. She has a WhatsApp group. You can join. If you don't have WeChat account, you can use her WhatsApp. She responds, but she's very fast on WeChat. So this is her contact. So now I'll be doing an unboxing video. So we'll see how the phones looks like. So you see if it was exactly what we ordered that came, so it's super amazing, guys. She sells both system, laptop, and all that. Yes. Then the shipping company I used NBC Logistics. So if you want their number, you can also chat me up and get it at the fee. Yes. So this is it. That is the Note 10. That is the 24-month warranty. So fine. See how sealed exactly. Look at me holding it now, so I know go say me. I love showing evidence. Once I'm showing you, I'm showing it raw evidence. It's not just dropping contact. I buy from them and I show you, so you don't fall victim. In my last video I talked about gadgets. I dropped more than 3 contacts. You can also go check out the video and see other contacts. And guess what, guys, I also got another contact. Okay, this one now is for wholesalers. This contact is for wholesalers. If you want it, chat me up. I will give you at a fee. This supplier now he doesn't sell one. It sells from 10 pieces, so it's strictly for wholesale and it's very affordable. Especially his iPhones are so affordable and original. Yes, I just hit that contact now. So let's look at the unboxing and see how this is what we unboxing the Redmi. See how beautiful it is. Let's just watch it and see how it is. Yes. Oh my God. Good. Can you see it? This is the Redmi Note 8 we got from China, and clean, new. If you go to the market now, go and ask for this, you will see the price they're calling. Now look at all the accessories. Then everything is set. So before I forget, I run the biggest pre-order group WhatsApp. So just go to the description icon. You will be seeing my group link. Hit the group link and join. In case you are still scared, you can chat me up, join my group link, and join us to buy. Yes, we do so many, not only phones. Yes, so that is it. On we try owning it. It's on. Then we also try to charge it. Yes, to see that everything is set. Wow, it's in English, so that some persons will say, "Are you sure it will not be in China?" No, it's English. It's a global version. Yes, so that's the camera. So beautiful. You remember it's having the seal on top. When you remove the seal, that's when you see everything, every well, actually these phones I got them from my customers. But I need to show everybody so that you know that we are not joking here, we're not lying. So it's actually for a client that they requested. They said these two are for 2 clients. They chatted me up and say, "Hello Jenny, I want Redmi Note 8. The other one said I want Samsung Note 10. And I gave them the price and they pay. And they're happy because the price they will get in Nigeria is far higher. So If you also want me to get for you, you see a description button, go there, click and join our WhatsApp group. All right, you get an affordable price. So if you also want to get the contact, that's if you want to be buying from 10 and above, chat me up. This contact don't sell one. Yes, this contact don't sell one. That is the one I'm talking about. But the one on the screen, you can buy one. Yes, you can buy one from her. She sells like this one and the Redmi nice one. The other one too, one I bought and she sold. And she sells laptop. She sells camera, memory card, and all that. So we finish unboxing her Redmi, so we'll try to charge it to see if really it's charging before we send to our customers. We want to know that everything is intact. All right, so now let's going to unbox the Samsung good to go Samsung Galaxy from China. So trying to charge the Redmi. Let's try and plug it in and let's see it's charging. So you're not supposed to have no fear. Yes, we are giving you legit contact, tested and trusted, as you can see. Right from China to Nigeria, and we are here. Guys, see that? Oh my, you can this is beautiful. See, it's already charging. So 100% original. You know why I'm walking you through all this? I'm walking you through all this. Not that I'm walking you through so you will see that, you know, some people just drop contact, they are not buying. You will see it. We bought and it came. We unboxed. You saw everything. Opened. This is a Samsung unboxing, a Samsung 24 months warranty. Yes, Note 10. From China. Yeah, so if you are still thinking everything is not from China, then you're missing, guys. Yes, Samsung is also from China. iPhone from China. Oh, but this phone machine, oh, so fine. Exactly. All people saw when they were, you know, showing me how the phone looks like before they packaged it. Look at it now, exactly as seen. Jennyceo, you know, they give anyhow contacts. We give legit contacts, tested and trusted contact. Any contact you see me share is tested and trusted. I've bought from before. Yes, I've bought iPhone from this supplier more than 8 times. So go ahead and chat. I look at the Samsung pen. So fine. Alright guys, if you've not hit the like button, do well to do so. If you've not subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button, because more contacts are coming up. And if you want me to also post any of that contact, maybe you have been searching for a supplier contact and you've not gotten, hit on the comment section, Jenny, kindly provide this contact, and you will see I will make a video bringing out that contact. Yes, so please hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the notification icon, because my next one I will be sharing with you. I'll be showing the video. Guess what, guys? On how to translate 1688 app to English, not using iDictionary or not using Google Translate. You will translate the full app like this to English language. Then so you will now kick off the language barrier. You know, so many of us don't know how to navigate on states because of the Chinese there, because of the barrier. Then now Jennyceo has come to solve that. So that will be what I'll post on my next video, and how to also translate Pindodo app to English. So if that's what you want, I know you will love it, because this method is stress-free. So I'll be posting the videos next video, so hit the notification bell so YouTube will notify you whenever I post, for you to be aware and, you know, watch and start enjoying your transaction on 1688 app and on Pindodo app. Now we are trying to charge a Samsung Galaxy to see how, if it's charging. We are certain, if you see how they package the charger, oh my god, Samsung charger, original combo, full combo. Now we are trying to plug that to see how it is, if it's charging. If you stayed, plug it in. Good. charging, and I'm super excited.